Today's video regarding HP Invoice Pro 6400 series all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and we have to open the ink cartridge door, which is just here. On the both sides of this printer you have a space to lift the whole portion, and it will open the ink cartridge chamber, and this side will stay on itself. And here we can see the ink cartridge will move and come here. Now we have to take them out. So it's very easy. You just have to open this lock. So once you open the locks, it will put the cartridges out, and you just have to lift them. This printer uses cartridge 67, and to install the new ink cartridge, so place the black to the black side, slide it little bit and close it with the lock. For the ink cartridge, place here, slide little bit and lock it with the flap here. Once it is done, just push the top section little bit down, it will close itself. So this way we can install the ink cartridges or replace the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.